Hello. Welcome to the Master the Art of Flutter series. A step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Adapting to different platforms. In this video, we will explore how to adapt Flutter apps to different platforms, specifically focusing on Android and iOS. We will discuss the key differences between these platforms and learn how to design platform-specific user interfaces. Additionally, we will delve into Flutter's platform channels, which allow us to communicate with native code on each platform. Understanding the differences between Android and iOS. When developing cross-platform Flutter apps, it is crucial to understand the nuances and divergences between Android and iOS. These differences encompass UI design guidelines, navigation patterns, system behaviors, and more. By comprehending these disparities, developers can tailor their apps to provide the best user experience on each platform. Designing platform-specific UIs. To ensure that our Flutter apps feel native on both Android and iOS, we can leverage platform-specific UI designs. This involves customizing the appearance and behavior of our app's UI components to match the respective platform's conventions. For instance, we can use Android's material design components on Android devices and iOS's Cupertino widgets on iOS devices. By employing platform-specific UIs, we enhance our app's familiarity and usability for users on each platform. Here's an example of how we can create a platform-specific UI in Flutter. This example demonstrates how to create platform-specific user interfaces in Flutter. The MyHomepage class, which extends stateless widget, contains a build method that returns either an Android or iOS UI based on the platform. If the platform is Android, it will return a scaffold widget with an app bar and a center widget. If the platform is iOS, it will return a Cupertino page scaffold widget with a Cupertino navigation bar and a center widget. This way, the app can adapt its UI to the platform it's running on, providing a native feel for users. Using Flutter's platform channels. Flutter's platform channels enable communication between Flutter code and native code on each platform. This is particularly useful when we need to access platform-specific APIs or perform tasks that require native capabilities. By utilizing platform channels, we can leverage the full power of the underlying platforms while still benefiting from Flutter's cross-platform development capabilities. Here's an example of how we can use platform channels to access a platform-specific API. Best practices for developing cross-platform Flutter apps. To ensure the success and maintainability of cross-platform Flutter apps, it is essential to follow best practices. These practices include organizing code in a platform-agnostic manner, utilizing platform-specific code selectively, thoroughly testing on both platforms, and staying up to date with platform-specific updates and changes. By adhering to these best practices, developers can create robust and high-quality cross-platform Flutter apps. Here's an example of how we can organize our code in a platform-agnostic manner. Conclusion. Adapting Flutter apps to different platforms involves understanding platform differences, designing platform-specific UIs, utilizing platform channels, and following best practices. By considering these aspects, developers can create seamless and native-like experiences for users on Android and iOS. Alright, Flutter Explorers. We've just unlocked the multiverse of platforms. We unraveled the secrets of adapting your apps to desktops, web, and beyond, letting your creations shine anywhere users roam. From web views to native integrations, your app is now a platform-hopping chameleon. Now, conquer every screen, craft experiences that seamlessly morph and adapt, reaching users wherever they choose to be. Share your platform-crossing triumphs in the comments, don't hesitate to ask for tips on mastering specific environments, and remember, a flexible app is a beloved app. Hit that like and subscribe button. And keep fluttering.